Apply massage oil to your hands, rub the client's whole back with them till Feng Qi, GB 20, and Feng Fu, DU 16, and press the 2 acupoints. Repeat 3 times. Divide du meridian into 3 sections and push them with your hands alternately. Repeat 3 times. Divide bladder meridian into 3 sections and push them with your hands alternately. Start with the left meridian and the right one after. Repeat 3 times. Push from Dasui, DU 14, to du meridian and bladder meridian with the base of your palms, respectively, and lift from a waist side till your palms slide out from an armpit. Do it in left-right order. Repeat 3 times. Push from the back of the neck to anadesma, connecting the neck and shoulder with kneeling fingers. Repeat 5 to 8 times. Push from the back of the neck to the waist inch by inch with kneeling fingers. Repeat 3 times. Stroke anadesma, connecting the neck and shoulder with the part between the thumb and index finger, and caress it with the other hand. Repeat 5 to 8 times. Do the same with the other anadesma, connecting the neck and shoulder. Repeat 5 to 8 times. One side, push the whole medial border of the scapula with your hands part between the thumb and index. Do it alternately, and repeat 3 to 5 times. Push from the medial border of the scapula to the shoulder with your hands, doing it by turns. And repeat 3 to 5 times. Move from an arm to a palm along the shoulder and slide out. The other side applies the same technique. Remove the essential oil from the back with a clean towel and apply radiofrequency cream evenly to it. Body RF, to dredge channels and collaterals and do tightening and shaping. Parameter setting, advised operating time, 10 minutes. Suggested energy level, 3 to 7. Recommended mode, NOR. Divide du meridian into 3 sections and push them with your hands alternately. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Push du meridian directly. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Divide bladder meridian into 3 sections and push them with your hands alternately. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Push bladder meridian. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Move the device circlewise to the sacral region, BL31, BL34, along bladder meridian. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Start with the neck, moving back and forth on the area, connecting neck and shoulder. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Lift back and forth on the medial border of the scapula. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Move from the left side of the waist to the right side, and do it back and forth. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Body vacuum RF, to eliminate dampness and toxins, and do tightening and shaping. Parameter setting. Advised operating time, 10 minutes. Suggested energy level, 3 to 7. Recommended mode, NOR. Advised suction time, 0.5 to 1.5 seconds. Suggested release time, 0 to 1 second. Suction can be adjusted per individual tolerance. Divide Du Meridian into 3 sections and push them with your hands alternately. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Push Du Meridian directly. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Divide bladder meridian into 3 sections and push them with your hands alternately. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Push bladder meridian. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Move the device circlewise to the sacral region, BL31, BL34, along bladder meridian. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Start with the neck, moving back and forth on the area, connecting neck and shoulder. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Lift back and forth on the medial border of the scapula. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Move from the left side of the waist to the right side, and do it back and forth. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Clean the back with a towel. Laser lipo pads, to dissolve fat and promote fat metabolism. Parameter setting. Advised operating time, 20 minutes. Suggested energy level, 3 to 7. Recommended mode, M1. Take out a strap, which is of short, medium, and long size, and select it per individual condition, and fasten it onto the back. Insert laser pads into the strap and tie them up. Wait for 20 minutes. Turn off the equipment, remove the pads, and untie the strap. Treatment ends. The treatment lasts 50 minutes. It's advised to take it 1 to 2 times a week, and 12 times as a course of treatment. Contraindications: women in pregnancy or breastfeeding, with heart disease or a heart pacemaker, with unhealed surgical wounds or in surgical recovery, with epilepsy, severe diabetes, hyperthyroid and tumors, etc. Those with skin disease or infectious disease should use it with caution.